want to show you a quick video for 2012 Dodge Charger. Just want to show you where is the door blend actuator for driver side temperature and the passenger side temperature. So if you remove this side cover, bob it out, move these two bolts, bob this out, use one hand. You can disconnect all this wire if you want. Get some room. Just want to show the location for passenger side temperature actuator is first one. See now, the first one, the one here. This is the passenger side temperature, and driver side temperature. I'm gonna go up a little bit. You see the second one up there. This is the driver side door blend actuator temperature. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.